And today Jesus tells us the purpose of his coming on earth and who he is. The purpose is to make human beings whole. All those who are afflicted with any kind of diseases, with the lame and deaf and dumb, says, I have come to make you whole, that when you were created by God, you were created in his own image and likeness. I've come to restore that likeness in you. And what are people's reactions? Twofold. One we heard in today's reading, one is given, not read today. People admired him. Well, where did this get wisdom? The other reaction, we know him very well. We know his parents. We know his mother, we know his father, cousins. So there's two reactions. One to admire, and one is question mark. From where did he get this wisdom? What is the mission today? It's the same mission to help others to become whole. And how can we do that? We're not called to be physicians and to be so-called, all of us called to be spiritual scholars or spiritual fathers. We are called to live a simple, normal Christian life, to smile at people, to help them, to encourage them, to console them, to empathize with them. This is how we help others to become whole. We ask God to give us His grace, that we help everyone to become whole by a normal way of life, by encouraging, by cheering up, by empathizing with them.